Hey internet besties, welcome back to my channel and another wig show and tell. I'm titling this series Hot Minute because it literally only takes a hot minute for me to install these wigs for you guys. Today's unit is from Sensationnel. This is the Butta Lace Unit 16 and I have her in Flamboyage Sand. Flamboyage, why is that so hard to say? I'm going in with my Ebon lace tint and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply her to see where I want her to lay. Most of this video is going to be just music, you know, feel free to subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. And my first thoughts on this unit, to be honest, I thought the hairline was executed very well. I did not do any plucking, anything like that. I literally just applied the unit and, you know, did my normal thing, my Ebon lace spray, and then my elastic band. I did also go in with some makeup on the hairline after I cut the lace, so you guys will see that too. But yeah, overall, really like this unit. As usual, I will put the link in the description box so that you can pick this unit up if you're interested in her. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Enjoy the vibes. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your winner. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a cut. Yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.